Hello everyone and welcome to Sapori di Casa. Today's recipe, we're gonna make pasta with cauliflower and bacon. An excellent recycled dish. The cauliflower were from Sunday dinner, simply boiled, and I made this delicious dinner. Please stay until the end for the ingredient card and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this content. But for now, let's go and make this dish. Pancetta. This is a local pancetta from the butcher. Bacon here. I'm gonna cut it into pieces. It's this little skin here. I'm gonna cut it off and save it for something else. This dish is an absolute treat, especially when the weather is cold, as usual. Look at that. Chopping board I need a new chopping board, but it'll do for today. Cut the pancetta like so, the bacon. For this pasta, the cavolfiori, I'm gonna use leftover cavolfiori. They were boiled and just repurpose them for making pasta. And we're gonna crisp it up. There we go. Ingredient one done. We'll put it on the side. Now, garlic, give it a squash, as it is. Chilli, I'm gonna cut it with the scissors. And I'm gonna put it here for the moment, okay? I'll put all of it. A time what I do is a little tips. When they are on special offer in the supermarket, usually they're fresh. I'll take them myself and I'll dry them out, so you extend the life shelf of them. The reason works is because you eliminate the liquid contained into the chili, and it's an ancient method of preserving stuff. So we have the bacon, the garlic, and the chili. This is very simple dish. Very, very simple, as all Italian cuisine. We're gonna go and make the sauce. Put a bit of oil. We let it warm up a little bit. I put the garlic in. We make it golden. Let's see if I can make it in 15 minutes. Yeah, I have almost everything cooked. Usually I boil the cauliflower at the moment, then I lift them out and I use the cooking water of the cauliflower for cooking the pasta in. Start to get golden brown. I drop the bacon in and I lift the garlic. Oh, lovely smell. Lovely smell. We'll make it crispy. Well, we'll try to make it crispy. While the bacon is cooking along, we go and we need to snap the spaghetti. No, actually, those are linguine. We'll snap them. I'll make, this is about 200 grams. I'll make 3 bunch of it, so it makes manageable for me to break it. What I'll do, I take the measurement here and I roll it in like so. You can do with the smaller cloth. Okay. So here is the end. I'll do this way. Here is the end. I'll do this way. I'll take 2 squares as a measurement. And there you have the spaghetti snapped. No need to use the knife. Collect them all. And that's in essence how you do them. I'll proceed and do the rest. That's your spaghetti snapped. So it's a lie that you just snap spaghetti or linguine. You can, if you do sauces like vegetable, soup, lentils, peas. At least in Naples, that's how we do it. Okay. Back on the bacon. So you want the bacon to be crisp like that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lift it. I'm gonna lift the bacon. It has to be crispy, borderline crunch on the edge. If you want that, you want the crunchiness. Now we put the cauliflower in and we'll smash them. You can use a fork or a spoon. And you have to kind of make a sauce, creamy. If you ask me a dish that remind me of home, this is one of them. Nice, full of cauliflowers, Leave it a little bit of leaf from the cauliflower too. This doesn't have to be Michelin star clean, it just has to fill your stomach. Okay. Because I don't like to be too spicy, I'm gonna put the chilli now. Drop it in. And we can go and drop the pasta in the pan. Water is boiling already, so prepared. Oh, everything is steams up. There you go. Bit of salt. We let it cook for the time it needs to cook. It's about, I think it's 10 minutes. I'm just gonna check. Back on the cauliflower. I can feel the chili too. Ouch. Bit of salt. The pasta is halfway cooked, just over the halfway cooked. I'm gonna drain it off and save some water because we're gonna finish it off in the pan with the cauliflower. Wow, wow, wow. Eccolo. That's a bit set. That much of water. Start to drop water in. And now let's finish off the cooking. Last but not least, I'm gonna drop the bacon and the garlic, roasted garlic that I left behind, just like so. Just like so. Bit of oil to finish it up. In the pan. Wow! Perfecto! I'm gonna dish it up and I'm gonna have it now. Look at this. Smells amazing. Forza! Wow. Oof. Oops. The last drizzle of oil. Fantastic!